Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to my channel. So, over the weekend, I was inspired by a panel discussion of many YouTube content creators, and it was a panel, and each of the panelists were live from their own channel. And so the channel that I was watching from is Golden Girl. And Golden Girl is part of my team, and I am part of her tribe as well. And she is a very supportive person to have on your team. I really enjoy having her here. She provides very thoughtful comments and she has great content. And so she was saying that, well, there was a portion of the live where they had each of the panelists talk a little bit about their channel. And so she mentioned that she was 71 years old and she is a swimsuit model. And so I was like, oh, like I didn't know Golden Girl was a swimsuit model. And the fact that she's a swimsuit model because on her channel, she has started to model swimsuits. Her goal is to go on a cruise in December of 2023, and she's doing things, being more active and living a healthier lifestyle so that she can be swimsuit ready even that much more come December 2023. And she looks phenomenal now, but she wants to be even at her peak, at her best. And she is 71 years old and is finally living out her dream. She had said to me that she always wanted to be a jet centerfold, which, when you think about it back in the day, who didn't? And I am just so excited that she's able to live out her dream right now. And so you might be wondering, well, how is she living out her dream? How is she a swimsuit model? Where does she model? She models on her YouTube channel. And I was talking to someone who is a creative that I know, and we all are creatives. Remember, we were all created to create. But she is a playwright and she's had many plays. Many of the plays that she's written go on the stage and have performances, and she's done dynamic work. But she really wants to make a movie. She wants to create a movie. And to create a movie, it takes a lot of money, production. It's just a huge undertaking. And so she's doing things, trying to save and build up her business so that she'll be able to do something like that one day. Well, I had recommended, well, why wait until you can get on the big screen when you can just do clips and do them on YouTube? And she hasn't done that yet, but that is definitely something that I recommend. And even now, I spoke to her today and I recommended it again because of what Golden Girl had said. She is a model. So whatever you choose to do, YouTube is a huge platform. It is the second largest platform in the world when it comes to viewership, or search engine. So Google is number one, and Google owns YouTube, and then YouTube is number two. And you can tell how popular it is because if you Google something, if you're looking for some information or a resource or any type of information and you Google it, you type it in the search engine or you type it in the search bar or the box. Well, if there's a YouTube video on what you are looking for, it'll show up in on the first page in the top couple of items that are recommended to you. You don't see Instagram, you don't see Facebook, you don't see Twitter or TikTok. You see YouTube videos or maybe a white page or an article. And so that alone should let you know how popular YouTube is and how well respected and researched it is. So whatever you want to do, why not let YouTube be your practice ground? Me personally, I really admire Lisa Nichols. I admire Oprah. Oprah is in my head mentor. I admire a lot of great women and men. I've been looking at a lot of Les Brown videos here lately. He's been doing more and more videos. I know he had some type of workshop or seminar a couple of weeks ago in Atlanta. So he's doing his thing at 70 plus years old. He's hilarious, but he also is filled with wisdom and nuggets. But you don't have to wait for that invitation. You don't have to wait to be discovered by someone because you are out in public, doing your public speaking. You can do it right here on YouTube. This is your practice ground. I always say that this is where I'm being groomed for that even larger stage. But with millions of people watching YouTube on a daily basis, let one of your videos go viral. Let it go viral with millions of viewers. That alone will be that stage that you have been wanting. But remember, don't wait. Just start right now. So many people have different ideas. They have different things that they want to do. Even, even if it's reading your book that you wrote, read chapter after chapter here on YouTube and get more people excited about your writing, and maybe they'll buy more of your books. I've noticed some of the artists here, some of the creative artists, they will do painting while they are live on YouTube, and people are seeing their work and really seeing that they're doing that work. It's not them buying a reproduction of something and calling it their own. They are actually doing it, and they can show their talent that way. And that encourages people to purchase from them. That attracts people to commission them to do work for them. So there is absolutely a place here for all types of businesses, all types of, ideas and creatives to come and do your YouTube channel and put what you want to be and who you are deep down inside. Put it out here on these YouTube streets. We need great content for sure. And I'm trying to tell you, I was so inspired by Golden Girl saying that she was a swimsuit model, because she's modeled. And listen, if it's 5 people that watch her videos, she's modeled her swimsuits in front of 5 people. They never said you have to have an audience of thousands or millions. They just said putting yourself out there is enough. And I applaud her for doing that. I applaud all content creators for taking that leap, taking that step to be creative and put it out here. It isn't as easy as you think, but it is as easy as you think at the same time. It's not as easy because you have to be comfortable. You have to know that it doesn't have to be perfect, but you need to just get started. And it is easy because YouTube is free to do, and it's a platform that you're on anyway. All you have to do is hit record, or record on your camera or another device and hit upload. And it's just that easy. So I encourage you all to reach out, try and do your best, and figure out what you want to be and what you want to do, and start today with your YouTube channel. I hope that you were able to get a nugget from this video, and hope you were encouraged and inspired to be that you said that you always wanted to be, not waiting for that tap on the shoulder, not waiting for that invitation, but starting and taking control and taking action today for yourself. All right, that's all I have for you today. I am Sherry. I am Coach Sherry, and it's been my pleasure to share with you this information. All right, until we speak again, stay safe.